trying this for the second time. Is it just me or does my hair just like always look brassy in like natural light no matter how many times I use Brass Off? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you my annual favorites video. What else do I do at the end of the month? Let's be real. So you guys are probably wondering why my videos have been very stagnant lately. Or you probably just really don't give a fuck and you're like, you know what, Sam, you got a life. You're married, you work, you go to school, you're a busy girl. Yeah, I am, and I get very lazy and then I don't want to edit and I don't want to film. So I apologize for that as always, and I just need to stop apologizing because it's probably really fucking annoying. So yeah. And by the way, my shirt, yes, 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 always. I love my weekends because they're the only days of the week I have off. So let's just jump right in. Okay, and yeah. So the first thing I have to mention is my happy planner. Now, I have just recently become very obsessed, so I don't know how long this obsession will last. You guys remember when I got the happiness planner and I later told you guys that I ended up kind of giving up on it because it was very, very expensive. And not only was it expensive, but it was like kind of hard to use, write down like errands or my schoolwork or whatever, or videos or anything. Like it was like kind of like a reflection journal, and you just reflected every single day. And this lighting, by the way, if I'm squinting, the sun doesn't like me. It was just very hard to use, so I just kind of stopped using it and gave up on it and wasted my money. Nothing new. I ended up grabbing the happy planner probably last fall. I went to Michael's, it was on sale, and I recently, oh no, did I really already, I scuffed my case up already. Just got this like a week ago, not even, like a few days ago. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting till January to finally use it, and the time has come. So I got some accessories for it because one of my kids gave my co-teacher and I a late Christmas present, Amazon gift card, so you know, girl spoiled herself with some planner stuff and other things she probably should not have bought. So I ended up getting this case. I have the classic happy planner size-wise. There's 3 different sizes. There's a mini, the classic, which is this one, and then the big size, which I have not seen the big size, but I imagine it's huge. So on the inside, I'll show you guys. No, the inside of my cover, which I actually DIY'd this. I got some discount tape that you put, like book cover tape that you put on your books in school, if you're high school or whatever, and then you peel it off at the end of the year. Customized my planner because I didn't really know any other way to. I have Lena on here, of course. I've just got like camera, tacos, teacher stuff, coffee, makeup, watermelon, beach stuff, Halloween, winter, because I do kind of do like winter, Christmas time at least. And then the inside, I have like a little mental health calendar. I saw this online somewhere and I think it's a really good idea to just track like your mental health. The thing that I love about this journal is you could buy so many different inserts for it. Like you could buy monthly ones, there's a budgeting one, there's a teacher one, which I bought and it's way too big. I didn't read it before I bought it. I recently just got big extender discs, like you can interchange these. I got the giant one so I could just put more stuff in it, when in reality I got them too big, so that's what I'm telling you right now, that I meant to get them when I didn't. Like some like extra paper so I could just write stuff in here, maybe for school or whatever. There's just a lot of different options with these planners. I love them. I think I paid 15-20 bucks for mine because it was on sale, but they are around like $30, depends on the size you get and everything else. So in my mind, this is a lot better than the happiness planner. Sorry to the happiness planner, but I do tend to like this one a lot more, and I got this case for it, which is kind of unnecessary, but you know, I'm that kind of a girl. So this is my planner. I love it. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna stop talking about it now. No, I am not sponsored. They do not know who I am, and if they did, they'd probably run for the hills. Hi. Hopefully not, because I love planners. So my next random favorite of the month is my fuzzy purse, which I actually ended up getting at Walmart last month, just before Christmas time, and I am obsessed with it. But now I'm kind of getting sick of it, so I might switch to one of my other purses. This was originally like $15 and it rang up for $10, and I was like, okay, cool, we're gonna get it. It has a little cute little puff ball on here, but essentially it's just a tote bag. Let's be real, if you can still find this, highly recommend. I think they may have had other colors, but this is just the one that I have, and it has like a little snap closure, has a little attached pouch to it so you can put stuff in it, which I do that. This has just been like my every weekend purse, because you guys know I have my work bag that I take to work with me with all the stuff during the week and stuff like that. I don't use a purse for work, but I think that's gonna change soon because I'm getting kind of annoyed with it. But I do love this purse a lot. I think it's really convenient. It's very fuzzy and it's cute, and I've gotten a lot of compliments on it. Even today at the grocery store, this lady's like, I love your purse, it's so fluffy, and I'm like, thank you. It comes in handy. And ow, hi, comes in handy and I love it. I have recently switched to this dry shampoo because I got this in the little box of things Danielle got me for Christmas and I have been loving it. This is the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. It's just really good. Needless to say, it's really good, but it's wicked expensive, so I probably will never repurchase it unless I end up making $1 million a year. So there's that. But it does not leave a white cast in your hair. It doesn't, when you spray it in your hair, like I'll just like it doesn't leave any like white residue in there. You can easily just rub it in there and the grease is instantly gone. Like this stuff is bomb. I really like it a lot and it smells great too. So if you got the coin to spend, ladies and gentlemen, this is a really, really good dry shampoo. The thing is this any question? The KKW Beauty fragrance, the cherry one. Oh, it smells so good. The funny thing is this doesn't smell like cherry. It really doesn't. Like it kind of has a hint of cherry, but it's very, I don't know, like it smells a little bit florally, but it's not to the point where I'm like, I can't wear this. I can't do it. It's just really cute. I love cherries, as you guys know. That's becoming like a new thing for me. So this is a really nice fragrance. If you could still get this at Ulta, highly recommend. I know that my mom said she bought it at Ulta because I kind of bugged her and I was like, Mom, if you want to give me something, the cherry fragrance, it's at Ulta. It's at Ulta now. You gotta go get it. And she's like, okay. She's like, okay, we'll see. The rest is history. So I do love it a lot. I think I might pull back from it a little bit though because I have been using it quite a bit, but it's slowly becoming one of my favorite fragrances. I have a couple skincare items that I actually just got last week and I'm already like in love with them. Clinique. Clinique. You guys already know how I feel about Clinique. They're a great brand. Very close to my heart because my grandma and my mom both used to be really obsessed with Clinique when I was little, and I remember seeing the C on everything and I was like, ooh, what's that? And like taking like the eye creams that like my grandma had and taking like the little happy fragrances and being like, perfume, and just like thinking like I knew makeup when I didn't. Really been loving this lately, and you guys know I love Clinique's like skincare stuff that I've tried. Like it's been really great. So this is the Clinique All About Eyes Rich, which reduces circles, puffs, like your stomach puffs. No, it doesn't remove those puffs apparently. It's just a nice thick eye cream, as you guys can see right there. I love just putting a little bit under my eyes and just rubbing it underneath, and I can just tell a difference instantly. Like within a few days, like they don't look as dark, they don't look as crazy, and I look actually like not as dead as I normally do when I wake up in the morning. So this eye cream is really, really nice. The one that's in, I think there's one that's in a glass jar, but this is in a plastic jar, so I don't know. This is the All About Eyes Rich. I think there's an All About Eyes and then this is just a better version. I don't know, but really good, and I do really like this eye cream. I caved. There have been so many commercials on YouTube for the Clinique ID that I was like, all right, next time I go to Sephora, I gotta pick it up. So I ended up doing that. And what I love about this is that you could pick your own like little insert, like mine's blue because it's like for uneven skin texture and like to hide pores or minimize pores, which is what I'm kind of trying to do. And you could choose between the oil controlled gel, jelly, or the lotion, which is great, so you can really customize it to what you want. I ended up getting it with the Dramatically Different oil controlled gel, which I love so much because you guys know I am oily and sensitive and sometimes have dry skin. I don't know how that's working now that I'm getting older, but whatever. I love this. This basically pumps out some of the serum and some of the lotion. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to tell in there. It's like a 2-in-1, and it just, again, maybe it's just placebo effect. Like I still have a lot of deep pores in my cheeks from popping pimples. You notice just like right in here, especially right near my nose, like some of those pores like are starting to dissipate, which has been really nice. So this has been a love, love, love. So you guys have seen my Instagram. If you follow me there, I posted a picture of Kylie Cosmetics products, which she restocked her high glosses, and I've been eyeing them ever since they came out, but could never get some. So I ended up grabbing a couple. I have Klear and Diva. Love both of these. I'm actually wearing Klear right now. It's just so nice. Like these glosses, like I love the Fenty Bomb Gloss. Like don't get me wrong, like that one, these are probably up there with that. Like it's some of my favorite of all time. Like they're so glossy, they're not sticky, and just like I cannot get enough. So again, these are the two colors that I have. I have Klear, which is on the bottom, and then I have Diva, which is a colored gloss, which this is just great by itself or over any lipsticks. And then of course I have a lot of Kylie Cosmetics now, so I have loving all of these colors, which basically all look the same, just different like hints of hues, because ladies, gentlemen, we know how we do. My absolute favorites though out of all of these I've been using lately is probably Bare and Kylie. I'm picking up the Kylie Kylie lip kit in the coconut liner, which I'm going to show you guys. I have the liners too. I've been loving the liner and matte lip thing lately. I don't know what it is. So Bare has been great. Kylie has been great. They're just literally, you guys, like they're just tinged, like a tinge different. And I also have one Wish, which is a matte, which is really nice too. Boy by Velvet is a really pretty color, and this is not a matte, thank God, because sometimes you don't want a matte. And then I have here Candy K, which is definitely one of my favorite nudes on me that I really love. And as far as the liners go, I ended up picking up, and then I have obviously the Kylie lip liner. Oh, that's the Coco K one, whoopsie. The coconut lip liner, because I wanted to use that with the Bare matte lip, which is what I have on my lips today. It's just for like a little different of a tone. And then I have the Bare lip liner, of course. So I've just been obsessed lately. Kylie's been killing it, but I'm very excited to see what Jeffree is going to be putting out this year, because he's been teasing that he's going to be doing a lot of things. So very excited. And I'm also very conflicted because Jeffree's putting out new mystery boxes. By the time you guys see this, they'll probably already be up and already sold out, and hopefully I got a couple. But then Kylie's putting out her Valentine's Day collection. I want to buy stuff, but I really know I shouldn't because I'm trying to be a good person and not spend money anymore, but I'm only human. Okay, so moving on to other makeup. The primer I've been using probably since, I don't even know, probably since the beginning of January, since before then, is the Primark PS Matte Primer, which is an oil-free mattifying skin primer. Now, I don't know if this really minimizes pores, to be honest. I think it just does a really great job of keeping my makeup on. Oh, maybe it does, actually. As I rub it on my hands, like, oh, everything's gone. That's nice. So this was, I believe, $4 at Primark if you have one around you. I love Primark. I think I'm actually gonna see if David wants to go there, since David and I are gonna be spending Valentine's Day weekend at his mom's. So I'll be closer to there, so I might have to go and pick up some makeup. Very excited. I've been loving that primer. That's just been really great, holding my makeup on and making it last. As other makeup goes, I have been using, I've been trying to hit pan and use this up. I'm not gonna lie. This is a discontinued product. I feel bad sharing this with you guys, but there's other bronzers out there that look very similar to this, so I don't feel as guilty. This is the Pink Face and Body Bronzer, which is also very probably expired, so that is what it looks like. It's just a really great bronzer for me personally, my skin tone, so I've been trying to hit pan and to use it up just to get rid of it, because it's just been sitting in my collection for so long and I just don't feel like looking at it anymore, if that makes sense. Like, I really have been trying to get rid of a lot of makeup lately. I have parted ways with a lot of like my lipsticks that smell and like eyeshadows I don't use anymore and all that kind of stuff, because like I'm kind of getting over it, but then I want to buy more. Anyone else? Just me? No? Okay, cool. Bronzer kit, shout out to one of my coworkers. She got this for me for Christmas. If you guys watched my what I got for Christmas video, since her son is in my room, so she ended up getting me and my co-teacher some things. And one of them was this Tarte Hamptons Weekender Contour Palette, which really, this has been my favorite. This is like perfect. The perfect bronzer, blush, and highlight for me. This is probably what I'm going to take with me on all my trips this year, which I've already said I'm going on a few trips. I'm really excited. So this is probably going to be coming with me. Oh, like if you could get these colors in any single pan, I don't know if you can. Definitely recommend. We have Farmer's Market bronzer, Summer House blush, and Beach Getaway highlighter, and they are just like so pretty. Like I can't get enough of this palette. It's easy and convenient, and it looks great on me, and I keep reaching for it. Like, and then I have a couple highlights. I'm trying to hurry up because my camera's gonna overheat again. The Anastasia Amrezy beautiful highlighter. I just have not been using this one as much lately, just because I've been trying to use other things. But it's just such a beautiful highlighter. I love Anastasia's highlighters. They are some of my favorite of all time. Like, I can't even. They're just really great. And then I have this Essence Pure Nude highlighter, which Tati recommended. I should have just put that in the Tati video. I don't know. It's $4 and it looks so pretty in the pan. Well, actually kind of looks kind of dull in the pan, but it gives you kind of a luminous look to your skin. Like, it's not really meant to be like a really gleaming highlight, just kind of like lit from within. So this has been my everyday highlighter for like the past few weeks at work, and it just works and it looks so nice. So really recommend if you are in the budget and you need a new highlighter that's just like little subtle. It's not as crazy as like an Anastasia one and glittery, and it's just a little bit subtle. Okay, I got two more things. Three, no, 4, 5. Oh god, I'm not gonna make it. I do have one face product I wanted to briefly mention. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. I got mine in Classic Ivory. This is the powder I've been using pretty much every day to work. Do love it a lot. It does keep me matte for the most part. I feel like there's a few foundations, or maybe it's the True Match that's just been making me very oily when I come home from work and stuff, so I've kind of been steering away from that. Trying to figure out what's making my face so oily, or maybe it's just me. I really do like this powder. I feel like it sets my makeup very well and it doesn't look cakey and crazy, so this has been a really nice powder to throw on. And of course, as far as brows, we're back on that Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade bandwagon. Mine is in blonde, and I feel like this is like the perfect brow color for me. It's not too dark, it's not too crazy, not as bad as back in the day. Yeah, you guys remember that? Yeah, okay, we don't need to talk about it. We don't talk about it. But I really love this pomade. It works great. Oldie but a goodie. You can never go wrong. And then the other brow product, I don't know. I feel like I mentioned this in the favorites already, so I'm sorry if I have. This is the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Highlighter, which matches my nail color. And this is all I've been using to like literally carve out my brows, and I'll just use a brush and then blend it in. Just easy to conceal, especially when they're overgrown like they're starting to get right now. So I'll just put some on there, blend it out with a brush, and just hide the extra hairs until I feel like plucking them. Anyone else do that? Is that just me? Finally! I hate rushing videos. That's why I hate using this camera, but it's great quality. Logic. Okay. I have a couple e.l.f. brushes here that I've recently gotten a hold of this last month, and I love. This is the e.l.f. highlighting brush, which is so great for highlighting. It's just a little bit bigger than their small tapered brush, as you guys can see. And it just, oh god, it's so nice for highlighting because you could just get right on your brow bone, and just, it looks so nice. And just, I don't know, I've really been loving this lately. I feel like it covers more ground in a less amount of time, and I think it's only like $3 to $6. Gotta double check that, but I do really love this brush so much. My little stippling brush, I didn't realize it was gonna be this small. Which you guys already know, I have loved this Eco Tools one for so long, since I started my channel. Like, it has been there with me through everything, but I don't know, I wanted to try something else. So this little e.l.f. one has just been a real lifesaver. It's just easy and compact. I can easily just blend out my contour, my blush with it, and just be done and over with it. This has just been really great too. I think this was like either $3 to $6, again, somewhere in that range, because it is e.l.f. and I do love e.l.f. brushes, so there's that. With that all being said, those are all of my favorites for the month of January. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, helped you in some way, all that jazz. I'm gonna end this now before my camera shuts off, and y'all know love how much I hate that. I love you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like if you would like, and if you would like, whatever. Subscribe and turn notifications on so you know when I post a new video. My Poshmark is now reopened because I'm trying to get rid of crap, and if you like any of my crap, then you can have my crap. Sounded really bad. Sorry guys, but I do have a discount code, all that stuff, so yeah, but I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.